Hi everyone, welcome to Allison Attempts. Today I am attempting to cook Malaysian food courtesy of Roaming Radish. So this is my monthly subscription box, and today I'm just going to try to make 2 of the recipes instead of all 4. I'm making chicken satay and nasi lemak, I don't know, but I'm going to make it. I'm only making 2 because it's just me. I don't need all 4 recipes, and this way it prolongs the fun each month. They both take 45 minutes, so I am going to try to get them done at the same time. It's not going to work, but you know, that's the goal. So I'm going to start with the chicken. There's a lot of ginger being used in these recipes, and I've never worked with fresh ginger before. I have ginger powder, but we're gonna do the real thing as soon as I can get it opened. So I need 1-inch piece of ginger. I don't know, peeled. You just cut it off. And I know there's a way to peel ginger with a spoon, but of course I don't know how to do that. Oh, you just hit it like this? Ow. Ooh, that's strong. Man, my eyes are watering like if I was cutting onions. This is crazy. So both of these recipes are only supposed to take 45 minutes, and it will probably take me that long just to peel this ginger. Oh, my eyes. Seriously, this is whew. And it's making me want ginger snaps from Trader Joe's. The little tub of cookies, they have the chocolate chip ones, which are good, but I discovered ginger snaps, and oh man, so good. I can eat the tub of them. We need 4 shallots. Okay, well, I got 2 shallots at the store, so let's go ahead and start with 1, because our other recipe needs it also. So we're going to do 1 shallot, which we're now calling 2 shallots. So basically right now we are making a marinade for the chicken, and it doesn't need to marinate for very long. It just marinates while we make our sauce. How is the blender supposed to blend this up? And is it supposed to be liquidy? Is it supposed to be chunky? I don't know what we're going for here. This is tough garlic. It's putting up a fight. Very fragrant already, and we haven't even cooked anything. It's already been 10 minutes, and I'm still on step 1. That sounds like it's gonna explode. Oh my gosh. Oh, ow. Oh, wow. Okay, don't look over the blender. I'm scared to eat this now because of how strong this marinade is. Oh my gosh. It will be very flavorful though, so that's good. I'm gonna move on to this. I'm calling it a rice recipe, but nasi lemak. There's a lot going on here. First, we are cooking the coconut rice. So I need to peel more ginger, peel more garlic. Let's do that. I think peeling ginger would be a lot easier if it was a straight piece and didn't have these little thin arms sticking out everywhere. We doing? We're halfway through our time. We're not gonna make it. I would do terrible on one of those cooking shows, any of them where you have a time limit. Just terrible. And 1 cup of coconut milk, which they also sent. So I'm not a coconut person, but this rice literally sounds delicious. Okay, oh, this is thick. Oh my gosh. I just taste ginger. Ginger, garlic, that would be these. And pandan leaves, which they gave us, says 5 to 6 leaf pieces. So let's see what we're working with. Oh, interesting. They look like dried green onions. I don't even know what the rest of this recipe is. I'm just so excited for this rice. But now I don't know with my timing if I should turn this on yet or if I should figure out everything else that's going on. So this is the second time that I'm doing a roaming radish box, and the first time I followed it like exactly with all the garnishes and all that. This time, because it's just me, I'm not gonna be doing like all the garnishes. So like here they have like a hard-boiled egg and cucumber and peanuts. I'm not gonna do that part because I don't like cucumber or peanuts, and I don't need a hard-boiled egg. There's enough food here. We are going to make sambal. I don't know what that is. And I don't, like, even in the picture, I have no idea what that is. Okay, it's like a sauce that goes on the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna prep that stuff, and then I'm gonna cook those two at the same time. Okay, so prep that, get those ready, finish my chicken while those cook. We can do this in more than 45 minutes, but we can do this. So I'm kind of thinking that in the future, if I make this or anything, ground ginger is the way to go, because peeling it is like ridiculous. It's been so long I forgot what I'm doing. Here we need 3/4 cup water divided. What does that mean? And our sambal olik. Oh, ooh, it's chili paste. Fresh ground chili paste. Oh my gosh. 6 tablespoons. No. No, I won't do it. You can't make me. By the way, our 45 minutes is up. Obviously, we have not made it, but I think we're close. I really do. It says to make any food mouth-warmingly spicy. Use it to heat up your pizza, eggs, pasta, meat dishes, or anything you desire. What does that mean? Like warmingly spicy. So it's not hot spicy, like maybe this is a mild? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm like very unsure of what to do right now. Like very unsure. Ugh, I don't know. We're gonna start with 3. We're gonna start with half. And I'm looking at this and we are just gonna stick with half. You know what? No, I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna do 4. I am going to 2/3 the recipe. I am not looking over the blender. We're gonna fry this for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna switch back to our chicken recipe because we have to make a peanut sauce for this. But that's like a dipping sauce. I'm thinking, I'm wondering if I want to do that. I'll tell you the main reason I'm torn is because I have to peel more ginger, more garlic, more shallots, which I'm out of anyway, so that wouldn't work. I'm gonna hold off on the peanut sauce. Ugh, I know. I don't know if that's the right choice. I think I'm gonna miss out on some of the overall experience by not doing that. I do. But we're gonna skip that part. Okay, I have coconut rice working on boiling. I have vegetable oil working on heating up. And I'm gonna start making the skewers, I think, for the chicken. And then I was like, I don't have a pan where my skewers will fit, and I was right. So I had to break the skewers, like part of them off. So now I'll probably get splinters in my chicken, but that's a thing. So the other part about skewers, like I'm scared to do, is because I don't know like how to know if it's all cooked. So I'm gonna cook some of the chicken on skewers. I'm gonna cook some of it just in the pan, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna drop some of it on the floor. our rice is boiling, so we are gonna simmer the back. And now we add our sambal. Ooh, I'm so scared. I don't even know what to expect. I'm just like expecting loud and splatters, and I'm scared. Ah! This would be like a good, I don't know what it's called, but like the ASMR or ASMR videos. This would be good for that, I think. You guys, I am standing here crying, trying so hard to push through this, but like these fumes from everything, they've got me. Juice. Whew, I made it. All right, it took literally double the time, so it took me an hour and a half, but like I don't even mind really, because that seems downright reasonable to me. And I am so excited to try this. I'm so hungry. It looks good. I'm so excited for this rice. That's delicious. This sauce is like still making my eyes water, but we're gonna give it a shot. I need to get a little better at cooking the chicken. Like, I think it's just slightly overcooked, but it tastes super good. Ooh, yeah, that sauce has a kick to it. My gosh. I think it's supposed to probably balance out. Oh, afterburn. Afterburn. I think it's supposed to balance out the rice. You guys, that piece of chicken, little sauce, and some rice, so good. This is awesome. I'm excited to try the other two recipes that came in the box because those look super good as well. It was a green bean recipe and a noodle recipe. So stay tuned for that. My name's Allison. This week I attempted Malaysian cooking with the help of Roaming Radish, and it turned out awesome. I did it. I succeeded. I made Malaysian food. What are you gonna attempt?